North State at Builders First. RP's advising there's a gray truck with a black trailer. There's some wood tied down, but it's not tied down properly.
Hey sir, how you doing? I'm Deputy Wilson, Five County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I pulled you over is because your window tint and the cracked windshield, okay?
Okay.
That being said, I'm not going to write you a ticket for any of that, as long as everything on your license is good, okay? Before I get into it, do you have any weapons or narcotics in the car?
Yes, sir.
Nothing? Alright. Can you go ahead, get me a license, registration, proof of insurance?
ID.
Are you the registered owner of this car?
Yes,
Or? You are?
No.
No, you're not? Okay. Thank you.
312, can you be amount? 10 bar. Like we're back to 311. Our people CF wants contact at 105 southbound.
I'm not sure.
Okay. I can barely hear you. Do you mind just cutting off your car and I'm going to walk around, come to your driver's side, okay?
Okay.
These cars are loud as hell, so.
Yes, sir.
What's your name and date of birth?
Brian. VR.
And what's your social?
I don't even know.
You don't know?
No.
Alright. I don't want to sit on the side of the road. Do you mind chopping out and we'll talk in the back of my car right here?
Okay.
Thank you. I'm going to go in front of my car right there. So it's Brian's Casey Murphy, 82084?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a license, Brian?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. You can't be wearing them like that, man. Come on. Right in front of me?
Smoking?
Yeah, no, just threw the last one on the ground.
Alright.
That's fine. Alright, do you have what's the reason for not having the license on you? That's my issue.
I lost it.
You lost it?
Yeah, and I've been driving back and forth to work, and I haven't made an appointment yet to get it.
Okay.
I'm gonna make one.
Okay, but you do have a license?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well you just keep smoking that, and I'll have you out of here, okay? I'll measure what your tint's at, too. Who's the owner of the car?
My mother.
Your mother?
Yeah.
She know you have it and everything?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm driving to work.
Alright, just hang out for a second. What's your address?
South Parable Avenue.
Okay.
That's not the address, it's on my ID though.
What's the address on your ID?
Last one?
Yeah.
I think the last time I changed my address, I was on Grand Street.
Okay. And what's the last four of your social?
I don't know.
You don't know the last four of your social?
Nah.
Okay. Alright.
What's the matter?
Nothing. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
No, sir.
No? How much marijuana is in the car? I mean, I already saw the roach in your
That's what's
smoke.
in there.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're not lying to me right now, are you?
I got a little bit.
You got a little bit?
Yeah.
You got anything else?
That's it.
Okay. You know I'm gonna find it, right? Like,
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
okay, where is it at in the car?
It's in the middle.
It's in the middle?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll give it to you. I promise.
Just do me a favor, just throw your smoke out right now. Alright, and I'm just gonna go through you. You just stand up here. Put your hands behind your back for right now. You're not under arrest, okay? Put them like you're praying. You see anyone else here, man? I'm by myself right now, okay? I got you. I'll do this for you. I'll do this for you since you got a bigger guy. I can tell you don't have a lot of mobility on you, alright? Would you want them tight or do you want them kind of more comfortable? These handcuffs are going on either way. Alright, let's move over here. I just want to get out of the road. Alright? Or move right back in. Alright, spread your feet for me.
Are you going to take the jail, boss?
I'm not taking you to jail. Just well, I don't know yet. I'm just telling you. I'm detaining you. I understand where you're coming from. You might be scared, but understand I already asked you if there's anything in the car and you said no.
I told you it's in there, though.
I know, but the first time I went up, I asked you weapons or narcotics.
Yeah, I didn't want to see it.
Yeah, I got you. No worries.
I'm begging you.
Holding an 81 residential.
Please don't take me. I'm begging you.
Just relax. Alright, man. Spread your feet. Alright. You're giving me the right name and date of birth, right? Because I don't meet too many people who don't know their social, man. And you don't have your ID on you, which is pretty strange.
Got a warrant or no?
Tell me right now.
I'm lying.
Yeah, I know you are.
My name is Robert.
Robert Murphy.
Yes,
that's your brother, isn't it? Yeah. There we go.
You got a warrant or no license?
No warrant. I'm
So,
going to work, and I've been in trouble. I swear to God, I don't want to get in trouble.
well, You're going to jail now. You just lied to me. Oh, sorry. Shit is
Please.
313, bro.
I will get on my knees and beg you guys. Please, sir.
Stop, man. You made your choice.
Please.
Stand up.
I did make my choice.
Oh my fucking god. I have a Bravo Mike scared.
Please.
Stop, man. You shouldn't have lied to the guy. If you got no license, he's a pretty reasonable dude.
I gave it. Look, listen, I didn't take you guys. Okay.
Anyone one
In
time.
jail in this county forever.
Negative.
I'm in trouble already.
He's got no driver's license.
Please,
Okay.
I swear to God. Please,
Listen,
man.
you tried to lie to the dude.
Yes, but I gave it up. I didn't take it no further than I had to take it.
You were committed to it to the point where you told him that
I asked you twice, and I came back out.
up until he tells you that he knows you're lying because it's
And
not
I
his first day on the
said-
job.
I gave it to him. I'm lying.
I understand that because he knows you're lying. He wouldn't have said it if he didn't know you were lying. If you just would have said, "Hey man, look, I'm trying to just do the right thing. I don't have a driver's license. I'm going to work. Obviously, I'm dressed in work clothes."
But
Like,
I am. I promise
right,
you.
but you should have been honest with him.
It was crazy. I already let one person today go who didn't have a license. I'm not out here trying to do that, okay? But you already lied to me twice. You lied to me about the weed in the car.
And I
You
told
lied to
you
me
where
about
it was at,
your
right?
Well,
I
we're
didn't
gonna
take
see.
it no further.
We're gonna see.
I told you exactly where it was at. I promise you.
Stretch your feet a little more, man.
I'm trying to do the right thing. I didn't want to take it no farther than what it was.
There's really no way to go any further with it.
Understand my fear.
What's your fear?
My fear was one.
I understand that, but why don't you have a license? Like, why not just go get a license?
Because I've been in trouble and my license cost me. And I've been working on it.
Could you clear for another
I've been working on it to get it down.
Westbound lane from the courthouse? 10-4, Sudbury, sedan, loaded side, ball,
I promise you, all it is that.
Do you know the phone number for the guy who owns the car? Do you know the phone number for the guy who owns the car?
My mother.
Oh, it's your mother? I'm sorry. What's your mom's phone number? I'm gonna give her a call. I know you're going to jail. Then I'm gonna let her know where the car's going, okay?
Okay. I got a question.
What's up?
Well, can I use my phone before you take me to jail?
To him. To stop, not mine, okay? I'm gonna at least let your mom know, because I were there trying to save her some money on the tow, storage fee, so it's not sitting there until you get out. At least that way there she knows where her car's at.
I know I'm going to jail.
Yeah, well, yeah.
But
You understand why you're going to jail, right?
as I told her, I would have bailed out with all the truth. But I was afraid to.
I understand that,
You know?
man. And every cop's different, but like, he's
Yeah.
a pretty reasonable
But I
guy.
wasn't trying to treat him wrong.
I
You know
worked
what I'm
with him
saying?
for a long enough time to know how he is. He's more than fair. He's not out here for piddling bullshit, but when you try to lie and insult his intelligence, like he's not going to figure out.
I didn't try to insult him with a lie.
You do. When you lie to us, like, we don't, like we're not, like, we're
I
just
got
going
you.
to.
I hear what you're saying.
Alright. I'm not saying you intentionally tried to insult, I'm just saying,
I
like,
didn't. I just trying to get.
you're trying to
my
get
point
away.
away.
I get it,
And I'm
but.
gonna tell you like this.
All right.
Number one,
Alright.
already been in jail
I understand that.
in like a month, so I ain't want to go to jail and be stuck there.
I get it. Nobody wants to go to jail.
Nah, and then I just turned 40 last year,
Right.
and now I'm all of a sudden going to jail again.
I understand.
You know, it's killing me. So that's why I told a lie.
Look, you have no license out of any state,
No, I'm from Florida.
and you just never got a Florida driver's license?
Yeah, I did. But
know
it
what-
got suspended,
They
and I got a
suspended.
lot of money on it, so I got an account with Alliance One,
Yeah, you have like 12 or 15 suspensions on there, man.
but I'm paying them down through Alliance One.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
paying
what I'm
them
saying.
down.
Yeah, I mean, I see it on there. It just says no Florida
Yeah.
license. I didn't look at your driving record, so I just saw that it says no Florida license. So,
Yeah, I'm paying it down.
I mean, look, man, we're not trying to be assholes or anything like that. We got a job to do, but
I know you got something.
it's not personal, man. But
I
like,
know it's not personal, but I'm begging you to give me a pass on it. I didn't lie to him.
that's done, man. You're going to jail.
Yeah, well,
That's over.
I'm just saying to you, I didn't lie to him to insult his intelligence. You know.
Right, but you understand that when he comes back here and he runs the name that you give him, and you don't know your social at 40 years old, we already know you're lying. Okay?
Yeah.
And when nothing comes back, he's not just going to be like, well, shit, I guess he's good to go.
Well, if I
He's
would,
been an
if I
obviously
would, if I would have, to me, if I would have tried to clear him all the way, then I was deserving of it, but I came out with it.
I understand, but you understand what was going to come next, right?
What?
We were going to fingerprint you, take your picture, run your picture through databases.
I know nothing about it.
I know. I'm letting you know. I'm giving you our playbook. I'm telling you right now. Like, just not telling him the name, like, it's good.
Yeah.
Like, that's what would have been next. He wouldn't have just been like, well, I'm sure he's fine. We'd have taken your picture, we'd have fingerprinted you, and we'd have found out who the hell you were.
Yeah.
So, all right, man. Look, I'll ask him about making a phone call. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Watch your head.
After failing to provide accurate identification, he was taken into custody without incident and charged with driving with a suspended license with knowledge as well as resisting an officer without violence. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.